Hello, using the TRIARIUS. We will now generate a forecast for the next 3 trading days. First instrument, WTI spot oil. We see a 37% probability of an upward move, 53% probability of a downward move, and 10% probability of sideways movement. WTI spot oil is tilted bearish with a downside bias. Second instrument, spot gold. We see a 68% probability of an upward move, 23% probability of a downward move, and 9% probability of sideways movement. Gold is strongly bullish, with very little downside pressure. Third instrument, the euro against the dollar. We see a 44% probability of an upward move, 48% probability of a downward move, and 8% probability of sideways movement. Euro is slightly bearish, a modest downside edge. Fourth instrument, the dollar against the Japanese yen. We see a 67% probability of an upward move, 25% probability of a downward move, and 8% probability of sideways movement. The dollar against the yen is strongly bullish, with limited downside risk. Fifth instrument, Bitcoin. We see a 42% probability of an upward move, 51% probability of a downward move, and 7% probability of sideways movement. Bitcoin is leaning bearish, with a modest downside bias. Sixth instrument, Ethereum. We see a 48% probability of an upward move, 43% probability of a downward move, and 9% probability of sideways movement. Ethereum is slightly bullish, though still fairly balanced. This information will also be available in my Telegram channel. Wishing everyone profitable trades. Stay tuned for the next forecast.